Hey, Bamkun. I wanted to talk about, but it's none of my business. Apparently, Nigerian president has forged a certificate. It's none of my business. I'm here in South Africa. Bamkun Siabo. Minister of Police. I just saw a video, and there is this girl, young lady. She's an interviewer or she's a reporter. She's asking pertinent questions. The lady is asking right questions. Yeah, they were here in Germiston. I just saw a video of it here right now at TikTok. Bamona Germiston anymore. Obam Kun Uti, he's going to have a meeting. No. Nale Ntsizwa Ushriber. They're going to have a meeting, and he wants to sit down with Minister Schreiber that when they find Mr. Schreiber, Home Affairs guy, Home Affairs Minister, that when they find an illegal foreign national, they must make sure that it's one direction home. One direction home. Meaning, and he's going to do it. Mkunu uzoyenza leyo. Ngantshela ubamkhulu, ubamtulu, ubamkhwanas, the three musketeers in the GNU. Aziza zokhala. And apparently they are coming, and the lady said that the reporter, the lady that was reporting said, what you sing here in Germiston, it's nothing. Come to Johannesburg. And Mr. Ubamkhulu said, we are going to sign a cooperation with Johannesburg. They are reclaiming those buildings. We will see. But these news are exciting for me. Finally, it looks like something is happening. I saw the mayor of what's this place? Germiston. Umkuku inside hey, and then Ubamkunu said it's a first time. Bamkuna, it's a first time. He was saying it's a first time. Him saying Mkuku inside Umkuku. Bamkunu, come to Johannesburg. It's high time. It's high time. And then he's saying we are going to put all resources. Right? I'm following this very closely. All resources, from whether finances, human resources, in terms of police. One direction. And then he said, the police force must tell their families that we are going to work some overtime. Mama, Papa, please don't expect me home. Don't think that I'm going out. It's work. My country needs me. We are going to work overtime to sort out this mess of illegal foreign nationals and these dilapidated buildings and other forms of illegality that are being produced from that or that are resulting from that. Abamkun. Siyabonga Bamkun, siyabonga. Bamkwanazi, Bamtuli, Bamkunu, the three musketeers of the GNU, siyabonga. I know within the very same GNU, we are seeing some uncomfortable developments with ETA and ANC there at what you call Pretoria, Mayor of Pretoria, whatever. That site. Kalagut by sword. Because when something good is happening in this site, somebody wants to take advantage of trying to undermine this GNU. I saw we are happy, and that side there I say Pretoria Action SA and the ANC, they are happy that we've elected an Action SA mayor, which is good. And Injabulo, you've gotten rid of that guy of DA. That's fine. Got to oxygen for it. Oxygen. Let us work. Let us not just celebrate that we've got the mayor that we wanted. Oxygen for it. It's time to work, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to work. Akuseyenzo. Come back to Ubamkun. Ay Bamkun siyabonga. You are working siyabona ukuthi uyasebenza. Zizazokhala and Bamkun, when you move from here sesiyacela, go to sunny side. Go to sunny side. Kunini bafowethu. And then when they ask Ubamkunu with the situation of the tuck shop situation where kids ate some, allegedly ate some poison, red poison food, I mean snacks, whatever they were, they purchased or they bought and they ate as snacks. Ubamkunu said, no, we're going to put intelligence to find out first what's going on. Sizazokhala. Sizazokhala ngempela. Kodwa siyabonga. Siyabonga. Akusejenzi. This is our country. This is our country.